blind person coming through in a motorcycle. Hold on! Okay, rainy day.
Bukanda forever! Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride, sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog,
Hindi mo mapantayan ang aking kapangyarihan! Oh boy, here we go. Wetness begins. Shield on. Okay, let's go. Yeah, papay, pizza pie. Sa gabi nagbablog, sa gabi nagro-ride. Started rain, nighttime again. It's nighttime, it is raining, and we have to really ride safe. And it is slow. Ride safe. What is ride safe? So for us here in the Soned Motovlog channel, riding safe is slow. It's a no-brainer. Common sense already. So when you ride safe, it should be slow. When you're riding slow, it is safe, of course. That's the start of being safe. Because if you are really not riding safe, you're fast. It's rainy season again, and it is always understood that when it's raining, you have a poor visibility. For us here, at least, this is what I can to install on my motorcycle. I have installed this LED light. Yeah, DIY LED light. The tail light, the tail reflector of my top box. Okay, because the top box is always the higher object that the vehicle can see on his visibility when he is following you. Yeah, it's windy. Windy on my side, my golly. What I have done in this top box, so I've taken off, I have seen that there's no road there, here. What I have done, so I have these screws that the reflector or the glass red thing that you can see there, it can be taken off by screws at the back inside of the top box, and this one can be removed. It has a plastic inside of it, the white plastic, and the red translucent red thing is the one looks reflectorized. Then after I remove that, I stick this place clearly in this thing, this LED light, and that LED light is powered by 12 volts. The thing is, I don't know how to wire my motorcycle just to tap it in the brake light or on the tail light itself. What I have done, because I have already this 5-volt conversion to 12-volt conversion. It's really hard to see and think. Okay, you can also buy this, I think it is 99 pesos only in Lazada or Shopee or on any online things and online traversers. Is it open or what? I don't want to fall down. Yeah, you buy this on an online store. This conversion, you just search on it. It's easy to search. It's a 5-volt to 12-volt or 12-volt to 5-volt conversion. It's a USB. So the USB is the 5 volts, then the power jack is the 12 volts going to the thing. I don't want to fall down. I don't want to fall down because there's no road anymore and I cannot see it. Yeah, papay, pizza pie. Okay. Wow, there's many cows. No, don't back up. because very dangerous and we're losing traction already. Yeah, bye-bye, pizza pie. Yep. It's a black thing. It's a black car, hard to see. Don't like wetty blind person coming through in a motorcycle. You don't like that one to be, you know, squished by me, or I will be the one to be squished at. Okay, so what I have done again, okay, so that the 12 convention, it can be put in the USB of your power bank. Then the power bank will power. Whoa, what is that? Yeah, papa, pizza pie, I cannot see. Damn it. Then you connect that to the power bank. Then the power bank has this conversion thing. Yeah. Then you has a jack. That's the one going to the output one. The 12 volt. This is power jack. The little thing. You will see in the screen right now. Okay. Then the power bank goes to the this. I bought also in the online store the female jack thing. No, this female jack thing. You have to solder it to the LED so it can you know, tuck in this jack going through the power bank. Okay, for the top box I drill a hole so this jack can be installed into. Yeah, and I put a switch so I can switch on and off outside the top box, so it can be convenient. It's just that you don't know if the power bank is low bat already or empty bat, so it will not turn on. So there's a turn on and off switch outside of it, and that's a good of it. It's powered by the power bank, and it's not moving. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Anyway, the truck is moving already. I have a tiptoe on my shoe. Getting wet, getting wet. I'm already wet. Have patience, little one. With you. Oh, there's someone balahura there. Oh, that's why. Let the expert do it right now. Oh my god, look at that. Yo. Use the horn! Put lang! Put lang! Woo! Put! Yeah! Everybody can hear you with the put. Rain is getting really worse. The motorcycle is forgiving, but me, I'm really in the budget of my own eye. Look at that. I'm losing traction already, my dear Rodaman. Okay, that's it. Woo! He's blind as a bat. And nagbabike. Woo! No one will forgive you for everything. Everything is wet. There's a puddle there. Even though I cannot see it, no one is oh my god, look at my glasses already. Oh, this is a cause of accidents. I should ride safe slow. There goes my installation of my own top box with the LED light. So just switch it on, you drill a hole for the switches and the plugs, and then you're done. Install back your top box again to your motorcycle. Oh, there's more baha. Look at that. Woo! Ayan na! Woo! Whoa! want the carburetor getting something else in and keep the motor running, huh? Nice jet ski. Keep the motor running. Oh boy, look at my glasses. It's hideous. Sa gabi nagbablog, sa gabi nagraride. Ito ang ating magandang ano lang ako ng ano kasi mataas yung bahat. Oh, that's better. Okay, rainy days. No one is stopping. Shine sa tao. Kung hindi ako kasya, hindi siya kasya. Nyay! Ay, mataas yung baha. Dude. Don't worry, just rubber. You can bump. Dude, ganun lang. Hindi ng problema sa ano. Baka tumawid. Tao po! Kaninong aso po ito? Kaninong aso po yan? Nangahabol po. Muntik na kami maaksidente. Muntik na kami maaksidente, ate. Nangahabol yan. Talaga nangahabol siya.